Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to today. And I have my Boxycharm Premium box for November 2020. This box feels very, very light. Just slipped the tape just a moment ago. This is $35 a month. 6 to 7 full-size products, and they use your beauty products. Excuse me. Value of over $175. You get to customize one product per box. The theme is Harvest. Really cute card. I have variation 5, which shows you right down there. And then it gives you a list with prices of the items. And it seems like this is in layers, so let's get rid of this. Ooh. I'm excited for this. Let me just sort of not working out too well. This is from Cosmedix right here, and this is the skincare brush set for $25. That's nice. A cleansing brush and a silicone mask applicator. Okay, so here's the cleansing brush. As you can see, it's got a smooth side and a rough side, and then this. Oh, that's really nice and dense, but that would be perfect for putting, okay, let me see if I can get this back up this way. Maybe. I like to leave things on like that. So then the applicator brush, these are nice. I'm excited to have these. I mean, you could use a regular brush and just dedicate it for masks and skincare, but I'm excited to have that. Can't get it closed. I don't know if it's going to close. Nah, it doesn't appear to be. So that is what that is there. That's exciting. And lots of bubble wrap in here. Just knock that down. Did I tell you the price of that? I don't even remember. $25. So then from Dose of Color, we have Block Party Single Eyeshadow, $20. Their eyeshadows are very nice. I'm just not one for the single pans like this. Less prone to grab them unless it's like a great, like all over color. If I can figure out how to open this, would be a bonus. Yep, this way. Ooh, that's a dark color. It has a mirror. So that's what it looks like, a shimmer. So I'll probably put that in a giveaway because I don't generally wear shades, like too shimmery of a shade. So that's nice. Am I thrilled with that? No. $20, that's a lot. And then from RealHer, we have a lip liner duo. $25. Choose between deep nude or true red. I don't know if, I would assume since it's a duo, they're probably both in here. I don't know. Okay, so this is, does this tell you the shade? Be a RealHer. Okay, so this is that shade. This first shade right here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. So it's right here. So that's probably very wearable for me also. And I'm curious about the other shade, which you can see from the bottom there. It's more of a neutral. I'm not going to swatch them in case I don't keep them. But these are nice. These and sometimes with lip liners, you can use them as a lipstick and just put a gloss over because they can be drying. So just put a gloss over top. And you can get away with it, and they last a long time on your lips. A little secret there. So I'm excited to have that too, in a way. I mean, it's definitely usable for me. $25, and I guess that's probably fair. And this is from Ilia. Let's find this. Color Block High Impact Lipstick, $28. And I have Rosette. Let's see what the shade is. You know me and lipsticks, I'm going to be doing it. Here's the packaging. Right there. I'm going to be doing it declutter, so I will film that. Oh, this is pretty. Definitely my shade. Definitely my shade. So I've been trying not to keep a lot, especially since I'm doing a declutter. So that's why I'm not swatching these, because if I have other colors like this, I won't keep that one because I'm trying not to accumulate 10 of the same shade. It's just, it really is just not necessary. Another great brand, Grown Alchemist, and this is the Detox Night Cream Peptide 3. I cannot read the rest of that. I haven't, oh, Echinacea and something else extract, 100 and, okay, am I reading that right? I know my lighting is not that good today. $125. Wow. I think my box is over $175. So this is the Grown Alchemist right here. Definitely full size. I've seen this before. You'd have that and try that out. And then the last item that I have is from Illamasqua. Do I have that the right side up? And this is the Unveiled Artistry Palette. I think I've gotten this before. This is $50. I will check if is this sealed? Yes, let me. I left my scissors out. I'm tired of struggling with packaging. So we'll open this and see. If I already have this, then I'll give it away. Once again, I am not trying to duplicate palettes, so this is what it looks like. This one does have a mirror, I know. Oh no, I don't have this one. This is interesting, so I'll use the card. So there is a mirror, and the protective shield is there. So let me just take that down. And this is what it looks like right here. Beautiful palette. No, I do not have this one. I might keep this one too. Ugh, when I start keeping palettes, this is a lot of neutrals. Even though there's a lot of shimmers, I don't mind some shimmers as long as it's just not. Just trying to put that back on properly so that, because it does give you the shade names, which is nice. But I wish they would print them on the actual palette so you don't need to keep that shield. If you want, whoa, if you want to know what the colors are, hopefully that didn't break. So let me just verify that. And since I just dropped it. No, did not break. Thank goodness, in case I decide to give it away. I'm going to check all my stuff against what I currently own, but we have that palette. And did I tell you, once again, I'm $50. I mean, that's a lot of money for a palette, but variation 5. I will add up all the items, and at the end, do my box cost versus box value and list all the items with the prices. I know this is going to be a great value because of, you know, $125 for the Grown Alchemist, $50 for this palette alone. There you go. They're promised $175 value plus all the other items included. I think for as light as this box is, I mean, you know, this is super, super light. I didn't think I was going to get a great premium box, but I generally do. Boxycharm is my favorite, and I do have my Boxycharm t-shirt on. You just can't see it because I have a fleece on. It's so cold. It's really not that cold. It's in the high 40s, low 50s, but I'm freezing. So I'm impressed with this box. I generally do like my base and my premium. I'm excited for Luxe, which will be next month. The pop-up sales going on right now. If you are a member, go shop that deeply discounted sales. You can get some great products. And I noticed they did this time like buy one, get one offers. So if they're still available, you know, catch them. I know there were brushes. Grown Alchemist was one of the buy one, get ones. You know, very, very affordable. So I appreciate all you watching. And if you're not a Boxycharm member, consider joining Boxycharm. It's a great, great box. Stay well, everyone. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.